Hey April, okay, so if you're in your Flipgrid and it looks like this, then what you're going to want to do is go to one of your sections and click View as a Student. And then click Login. And then here you'll see your topic, right? This is your one grid that you have, the Academic Skills Center. So you're going to click on that and it'll open it. And then you should see your plus sign where you could record your video. Ta-da! And then you just press record. I'll show you. You press record and you take a video. You can tell the students what they're going to do with the 3 interesting facts about the Academic Skills Center. Then when you're done, you press next. And click next. Then you have to take a selfie. Then you can add funny picture. And then you submit it. Okay? I'm going to go back to delete it so I don't submit it. Let me know if that works for you.